Okay, so this is a product that I found in my house. It's called a Storyteller Dice. You might be familiar with this, but this is something that's new to me. It's a product by Flying Tiger. So you must have seen Flying Tiger in one of my posts. I was talking about the marketing strategy, and I have a product of theirs, and I'm going to tell a story from the storytelling dice. Let's see. So what I do is I roll the dice, I place it on the table, and I arrange it. And you can do it however you want. It's up to you. It's your creativity. Okay. So this is how the series is. So let's start a story based on this. So the first one is frog. Okay. So one day I was walking by a canal, and it was a rainy day. And as I kept walking, I could see a lot of frogs on the way. And I don't like frogs because they are so slimy, and I don't know how people touch them. And so what I planned to do was to kill all the frogs. So what did I do? I took a dagger and went back to this canal, the banks of the canal, and I started looking out for these frogs. And I thought to myself that what would happen if these frogs were living in the mountains? Okay, so what happens if they were living in the mountains? I don't think they would survive, right? Because there's no water there and everything's freezing over there, right? So in case I had to kill these frogs in the mountains, so I need to wear some apparels that help me walk in the snow, right? So for that I need boots. Okay, so I wear these boots thinking that I'm now in the situation of a mountain, and I'm looking for the frogs. And what happens is there's this glacier that's next to me, and it's melting slowly because of its global warming and stuff like that. And from inside and from the glaciers, I see a person's hand showing up, and I go close to that place, and I find that it's a mermaid over there, and the mermaid looks very beautiful. Okay, and the mermaid tells me, "Don't do this. When you kill the frogs, the frogs also have children, and it's going to be nighttime soon. And if you kill the frogs during the daytime, the baby frogs are going to search for their mummy, and it's difficult to search them during the night because it's nighttime. So I decided that I'm not going to kill frogs, and I'm not going to be a murderer." Okay, so that's how the story goes. Okay, so it's quite interesting. If I'm going to take some more time, I can come up with something really interesting. And once this is done, you do something again and come back. You can keep continuing the story. And this is something that's very creative. I think people can use this. It's for 5+. It starts from 5+, because that's when your ability to tell stories starts. And like I said, I never knew that something like this existed. And that's the theme of Flying Tiger. So it's really something that's fascinating. It's interesting. Yeah, go check out my post if you haven't, if you want to read more about it, and give it a double tap. Bye.